Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Melgeek CYBER01 gaming keyboard. This isn't your average mechanical keyboard, so stick around to find out if it's worth your gaming setup. The Melgeek CYBER01 is a 75% gaming keyboard equipped with Hall effect magnetic switches, promising lightning-fast response times and durability. It comes in a striking black and green color scheme, but its design is quite polarizing. Let's start with the build quality. The CYBER01 feels solid and sturdy, weighing in at about 42.3 ounces. However, it's a wired-only keyboard, which might be a downside for those looking for wireless options. Unfortunately, it also lacks adjustable feet, which could impact comfort during long gaming sessions. Now, onto the switches. The CYBER01 uses Gateron white magnetic switches. These switches don't require physical contact to activate, which theoretically should lead to faster response times. In my testing, I found them to be responsive, but they provide a linear sound profile, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. Typing on the CYBER01 is comfortable, thanks to its slight top-to-bottom slant. It offers a good typing experience, though the lack of adjustable feet could affect ergonomics over time. Where the CYBER01 truly shines is in gaming performance. The magnetic switches allow for customizable actuation points, which is great for adjusting key sensitivity on the fly. Whether you're playing fast-paced FPS games or strategy titles, the CYBER01 performs admirably. I tested it with games like Lies of P, where precise movements and quick reactions are crucial. Setting the actuation point to 0.1 mm for keys like WASD really made a noticeable difference in responsiveness. Moving on to RGB lighting and software. The CYBER01 features shine-through keycaps that enhance the RGB effects. The Melgeek Hive companion software is intuitive and easy to use. It allows for extensive customization of RGB lighting and key mappings. However, during my testing, I noticed that some advanced features like profile management were still under development. So, should you consider the Melgeek CYBER01? If you prioritize gaming performance and don't mind a wired setup, this keyboard offers excellent value. Its magnetic switches and customizable features cater well to gamers. However, its divisive design and lack of adjustable feet might be deal-breakers for some. That wraps up our review of the Melgeek CYBER01. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the CYBER01 or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.